Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone is busy on Instagram call. Instagram does not have a built-in feature to directly indicate if someone is busy on Instagram call. However, you might be able to interfere in someone if is busy based on the activity status and responsiveness. And here's a simple method. First, go to Instagram and go to the chats in the top right corner and check for the person's activity status on Instagram. If the activity status shows that they are currently active or recently active with a green dot next to their profile picture, they might be available to answer a call. However, if their status is inactive or has not been updated for a while, they might be busy or not actively using the app. Also, previous communication. Consider your previous communication with the person if they have been responsive to your messages or calls in the past but are suddenly unavailable or slow to respond. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.